Sanitizing your ThinkPad can kill germs that might be on your device. However, you will want to be careful not to damage your machine with harmful chemicals. Here's some safe ways to clean the different surfaces on your ThinkPad. Warnings: before you start, here are some things to keep in mind. Do not use ammonia-based or abrasive cleaning solutions. Never pour or spray any liquid cleaner directly on the computer. Always use a lint-free soft cloth to clean your ThinkPad. Do not clean your ThinkPad while it is powered on. To clean the outer surface of your ThinkPad, follow these steps. Apply a small amount of mild cleaner onto a damp cloth. Squeeze out any excess liquid from the cloth. Wipe the cover of your ThinkPad using circular motions, taking care not to let any liquid drip onto the machine. Rinse out the cloth with running water and squeeze out all the excess liquid. Wipe the cover of the ThinkPad again with the damp, clean cloth, being careful not to drip onto the machine. Use a separate soft cloth to wipe the surfaces dry. To sanitize the keyboard on your ThinkPad, follow these steps. Apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to a soft cloth. Squeeze out any excess liquid from the cloth. Wipe the keytop surfaces with the cloth, ensuring no liquid drips on or between the keys. Wait for the surfaces to dry completely before powering on your machine. While cleaning your ThinkPad's keyboard, you can use a compressed air can to remove any crumbs and dust from between the keys. Do not use an air compressor to do this. To clean the LCD display on your ThinkPad, gently wipe the screen with a dry, lint-free soft cloth. Some acceptable alternatives to use are anti-static LCD cleaning cloths, chem wipes, and some types of lens cleaning wipes. To clean any smudges on the screen not removed by gently wiping with a dry cloth, follow these steps. Moisten a cloth with water or a 50-50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. Wring out as much of the liquid as you can from the cloth. Gently wipe the display to remove any smudges. Do not let any liquid drip onto the computer. Allow the display to fully dry before closing the lid. Follow these steps every week to keep your ThinkPad clean and germ-free. If you have any questions, you can learn more at support.lenovo.com.